my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? So we're going to get right into it because a lot of you sent me this headline. We have Allison Holker, and Allison Holker is engaged to tech CEO Adam Edmonds. 3 years after the death of her husband, Stephen Twitch. A lot of you will remember that he was on the Ellen DeGeneres show. And 3 years ago, I can't believe it's been 3 years, how time flies. It's now 3 years since he deleted himself. Needless to say, it has been all over the blogs, it's been all over the news lines. My God, just look at her, she deleted her husband. Not true. Oh, after 3 years, just 3 years, she's getting engaged. Oh my God, it was a couple of weeks when she changed the last name of the children. Now she's living in Utah, this, that, and the third. And I wanted to come out here because I am very, very, very fair. Because I saw all of the questions. And I want us to be fair. Stephen, her husband, struggled. And she carried the bag. She carried the bag. She carried the children. She carried the weight of the home. She struggled with him. She did her best with him. And at the same time, it wasn't enough. When he passed away, the family came out like vultures to attack her, to attack her children, to the point that her daughter had to stand up in her defense. Right, wrong, indifferent. What I'm asking is, where was the family when he was around? We never saw that side of his family. We never knew any of that. Why now were they coming out to attack her that she was this, that, and the worst wife ever? Yet, despite the fact, for the reasons known to Stephen deleted himself and left her to carry everything. I'll tell you this, I'll be pissed off. I would have been mad, I would have been angry. You denied a father to the children we brought into this world. You denied me a husband. You left me here with all of these wolves. You left me to take care of all of this. Did you not think of me? Did you not think of our children? And your family is attacking me day in, day out. I absolutely would have changed the last name if it meant that it would protect my children, because as you very well know, 3 years ago, this thing was a firestorm. It was going on for weeks and weeks and weeks on end. No time to grieve. She wanted to rest her husband the way she wanted to, and that was not okay. The family members came out to tell her that she was all kinds of things. And yet we have relationships here that don't even last 3 years before they've broken up and they've moved on to somebody else. What are we talking about? I feel it's because she was white and he was black. I don't think it's right. I don't think it's fair. I think that if it was a sister out here in these streets that would have said, okay, well, now, yeah, we kind of understand, and this, that, and the third. She loved him. She loved him. She danced with him. She built a life with him. She had children with him. She loved him. But the circumstances are such that she had no choice. And who checked in on her? Who checked in on her with the children? Who checked in on her on a daily basis? Who? Because we're so good to come out to the blogs and leave the announcement that she's this, that she's that. Who checked in on her on the 365 days times 3? Who checked in on her? She will always grieve her husband. But as they say, let the dead bury their dead. The living have to keep moving. And she has to keep moving because she's got children. I wish her the very best. Congratulations. Congratulations, my love. I am so sorry that life dealt you a couple of blows. It's very hurtful. And at the same time, eternally do I wish Stephen all the peace. May he find finally peace if he was not able to find it here. And might I also say that I believe Stephen thought Allison can do it. Allison is stronger than me. Allison will be able to handle it. And that really is how people observe strong people. but still it's hard. She might be stronger, but she also had feelings, and she also has very hard days. Ask any single mother out here. She has 3 children that she has to raise. I'm so happy she finally found her happy. 100%. I stand by her 1000%, because I'm a mother and I'm a woman. Black, white, blue, or green. It does not matter. The situation that she found herself in was not by her doing. Let's really call it what it is. It's because Stefan said, I can no longer be here. And so the whole thing blew up. And because of that, oh, she's a bad mother. She was a bad wife. Anything that she does was bad. That's wrong. That is wrong. We are not in her shoes. We were never in her shoes. And God knows what would we do, really, if we found ourselves in that circumstance. No, you know what, Mama? Absolutely congratulations. I hope that you are finally happy and this marriage lasts until you're old and grey. Do not forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and I'll say, what? Do I have lipstick on my teeth? I'll see you sooner than later. All of my love.
Hi guys, my name is ENITAN, hair coach. I am UK's first ever hair coach and a trichologist. We are a team of trichologists and hair coaches here in W6 London, and we help those who are desperate and have tried and everything else has failed. We look after those who have chronic scalp concerns, flaky, itchy scalp that's been going on for many years. We help those that have hair loss that has progressed instead of improved, and we help those that just generally want to have a better understanding of better quality hair, length, volume, and reduce that dryness. Visit us by clicking.
Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? Some of you might know when I started having my meet and greets, the first meet and greet that I ever had was at OPV Beauty's beauty salon. And I have loved their products. I have loved their brand ever since. Anyway, my darlings, we have for OPV Beauty your portable beauty stand where you can put all of your makeup and all of your stuff together. It's like a roll-on suitcase, and it's the most beautiful color. It's a wonderful rose gold pink. So you just take it up like this and you can just roll it out. It's so perfect when you're traveling. It's so perfect when you're going for your events and stuff. You just have it like so. Put it on a chair. You're good to go. So let us open it. And please do not forget, my darlings, to use my discount code. Oh, look at the sensationalism of it all. A mirror here. And then, my darlings, just look. It lifts out and you have your makeup tray over here. Is this not gorgeous? Look at how fabulous this is. And then you have a tray here where you can put in all of your lipsticks. I am living and loving. You can put in your makeup brushes, and then look at this fabulous vanity brush, of which you can use for your foundation and smooth it over. I really wanted to display it for you and see how it looks so that you guys can go to their website and get it. It was £600. It's now what? So you have to absolutely what? Go and get yours. All of my loves, my darlings, and I hope you enjoy your treat. Don't forget to use Fumi all across the website at OPV Beauty. Mwah. All of my love. Because I have been different sizes on this channel. Bigger busted, smaller busted. I've been curvy. I've been a limousine girl. And I loved every stage of me. I did. I really did. And that was why I said, I'm going to make it a loose fit. Why? Because if you're a curvy girl, it will suit you. If you're a slimmer girl, it will suit you. If you're an athletic girl, it will suit you. It's no longer what you look like. Truly, it's how you feel. And my limousine girls and my curvy girls, do you know, at that stage was one of my happiest times of my life. Because it was when I gave birth to Adrian. This body created life when I was told so many times that it couldn't. And that was how I really realized, it became so clear to me that woman, you're amazing. Men can wear it too, my darling boys. I will come out with a crew neck, but I thought let me come out with a V-neck so that you can put all of your jewelry. That's another thing. You can put all of your jewelry, you can put all of your necklaces. It's just enough for it to show. It is just enough. When I tell you this took so long, and it's plain in front, and you got the message in the back. You see, when you're walking away, clicking in your heels, that's the message. I lived for it. So those are the t-shirts, my darlings. If they sell out, don't panic. Don't panic. I will order some more, okay? And then we have what? We have our tote bag. We have our tote bag with the thicker straps that you can carry with you, and you can take this to the gym. It's a sports bag. You can take it to the gym. You can take it to the supermarket. You can take it to work. It's got the logos on both ends. And I'm going to show you something also. You have a magnetic clip, so you can clip it in. It will hold in together. Also, when you pull it apart, you will have the label also in the bag, and then you've got a big purse right here to put all of your keys. But guess what? Multi-purpose, my darling. You can also fold this bag. So I'm going to show you as is. You just turn it in like so on both sides. There you go. You fold it. Guess what? You fold it into the opening pochette. And there you go. There you go. So you can have this as an extra shopping bag. You can have this as an extra bag when you're going anywhere, even on the airport when you're traveling. It's so handy. So handy. It's a canvas bag. It is absolutely washable. It does not change. And we have it in pink. We have it in orange. We have it in sky blue, of which I live and love. Yes, and then we also have it in ice cream because I love ice cream, and I also love yogurt. So baby girl, you are looking absolutely cute. I hope you enjoy these, my darlings. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Thank you for riding with me. This is just the beginning, because the bras are coming, the slips are coming, the panties are coming, the makeup, the skincare, the Afro hair care kit is coming. It's all coming, my darling. This is a black-owned brand, and I am self-funded. My financier is my wonderful husband. Thank you. Thank you, Ula. Thank you for the unconditional love and support. I could never do any of this without him. You're so generous. And God bless you. And God bless you too, my beautiful Fumi Nation. And I am so excited. The link is below, and I will be sharing how to wear the t-shirts, different styles, different suits for you. Thank you so very much. God bless. Bye-bye. Yay! We have launched. We have launched. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm just so excited. I am so excited. I am what? I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so excited.